Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Megha Bhatt, President, WICCI STEM Education Council, and also the chairperson for SciKnowTech VIPNET club, which is run entirely entirely by children, and it is for the children. So today we are going to be celebrating National Tigers Day, World Nature Conservation Day, which is and also National Youth Day. But right now in the first half, we are going to be focusing on World Nature Conservation Day and National Tigers Day, which is the need of an hour for our youth to understand the value of nature and also the value of tigers. So an insightful event which is conceived by SciKnowTech VIPNET Club in association with WICCI Gujarat STEM Education Council, an event which is managed and conveyed by all my VIPNET Club children. So going ahead, let me first, without talking much, let me first introduce my VIPNET children to you all. And we already had a first very beautiful event, and today what they have conceived is about these 3 different days. And for that, let's try understanding with the videos which are being searched and conceived also by them. So let us look at the very first video where our very own beautiful actress Julia Roberts is given her voiceover on speaking about what is nature.
Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years. 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter. Or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other. Your actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. Are you?
So, as it is rightly said, nature doesn't need us. We need nature for everything. People need nature for everything. And here is one more, which says that what have we done to our earth, very own earth, which is the only planet with life, and what as human species we have done to that. Let us just look at that. as you rightly saw in the video, with the increasing population, we could see land use change management, land degradation, emission not only from the industrial sector but from every possible way by landing satellites, and of course urbanization for all our needs and for amusement parks. Wherever we see that, everywhere people all around us, right? So with that thought, unfortunately I'm leaving you all with that thought that it is we, and especially our youth, will have to understand that nature can provide us with the kind of resources to a limited time, right? And that limited time is not very far, as the people who are predicting climate change, they are saying that that time is going to be very much around us, which is so beautifully shown in the fiction Day After Tomorrow. But unfortunately, that fiction we do not wish to turn into non-fiction story. So let us join our hands and look at the video which is being done by our very own VIPNET children, and that is the third video and all the entries by the children of VIPNET. Before I begin and before I screen share, this video has been made by Siddhant Shekhar, who is a grade 10 child, and it has been edited finally by Ayush Singh, who is 11th standard child. So basically what I feel that, and all the entries, my younger children have done such a beautiful job by sending in their entries. I actually encourage all others also to send their entries as soon as possible.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heart.
Hello everyone, I am Anshini Bhatt from grade 5. Here, I have made a poster for National Tiger Day, and the slogan that I have written for tiger conservation is "Save the national animal and serve the nation." Thank you.
Hello, my name is Vigyaan. I'm studying with class 4 and my age is 9 years. International Tigers Day is celebrated since 2010 on 29 July. The aim of the day is to raise global awareness on tiger conservation and habitat protection. India has 70% of total tigers on earth. There were around 1700 tigers in 2010 and around 3000 tigers in 2019. The tiger population is counted every 4 years. We should all work together and preserve the tigers and save them. Thank you.
And I have written a poem on Save the Tigers. Tiger, tiger, burning bright, I won't let you fade from the sight. We'll fight and protect your might. Let's save the tigers and give them the right to survive. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Yuvraj Desai from grade 5. I have made a poster on Save the Tigers on International Tiger Day. My slogan is "Don't strip the stripes from their scenery." Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel. I have drawn a poster for National Tiger Day. The slogan is "Their fur is more important to them than us. So let us help save the tigers." Thank you.
Their survival is in our hand. Hello everyone. I am Shravya Sheth from grade 6, SciKnowTech VIPNET Club. Today I am going to speak on the Tiger Conservation Day. International Tiger Day, sometimes referred to a Global Tiger Day, is an annual celebration organized to raise awareness about the importance of Tiger Day. It's held every year on 29 July. Government, NGOs, and citizens across the world organize awareness programs on the day to spread the significance of protecting tigers. The conservation of tigers and their natural habitats is very important to maintain the health and diversity of an ecosystem. Let me ask you a question. What is the importance of World Tiger Day? The answer is to double the number of the wild tigers by the year 2022. Let me give you a fun fact. Do you know that India currently hosts the largest tiger population? So today, on this day, we thank Bittu Segal for being an inspiration and teaching us importance of the day, of this day. In the end, I wish you a very happy International Tigers Day. Thank you so much.
And this was game conceived by Akansh Panchal. So next time we really wish that all of us are able to thank you so much. All the children, thank you so much Siddhant for making such a beautiful video and putting things together. Thank you Siddhant. Thank you Ayush for the last minute help as always. And thank you all my dear children who sent entries for the same, right? Otherwise we would not have enjoyed looking at all those entries and beautiful paintings done by all of you. So now the next we have is the presentation which is being made by Purav Bhatt, and he is a grade 5 child, and my Neve who is a 10th grader would be presenting the presentation which is being made by Purav Bhatt who is a grade 5 child. Yes Neve, I'll give you a screen share, right?
Sorry, Chilla.
Yes. So welcome to the presentation which is made by Purabhra. So as we are celebrating National Tiger Day, the presentation is on the same topic. So
Go ahead please.
Tigers are the national animals of India. So they are our country's pride, and we must save them. So we must save the pride of our nation, or else they will be forgotten and our pride will be lost, which is very important for a nation. Uh, India plays a huge role in tiger conservation, as most of the tiger population, most of the tigers reside in India. So it is our duty and responsibility to conserve the tigers and preserve them for our future, and preserve the pride of our nation.
Neve, can you please go back to the
Together,
previous slide please?
last previous, yes, yes, ma'am.
Previous one please.
Yes,
Previous one please.
okay.
Yeah, so as you all can read, T stands for tomorrow no one will know us. And that is again our deed. Identity in the world is something so important that every country they have their own national animal, national bird, national fish, and so on. So here is people, please identify our national animal and let's try saving them. For the greatest king, I'm going to show you why. And E stands for everybody should protect them. R stands for roaring, crying for save them. They are roaring at us that please save us. And S stands for so let's start to save the tiger. Thank you, Neve. Please go ahead, beta.
Yes, so in the end, I hope we can raise awareness and save the tigers. Thank you.
All right. Now, let me thank Neve for presenting this particular idea, that last minute, this particular presentation, which was such beautifully made by Urav. I absolutely thought that he must be, it must be shown when the child has put up the efforts, it has to be shown on the screen, right? So thank you, Fura, for such great information that we all must save the tigers. And now we have very few minutes left for our National Youth Day celebration. So let us over to you, Neve, for the further announcements, please, for the quiz.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, so Arya will be presenting the first question.
No, just a second. So basically, next we are presenting the link. Rudra, are you there, beta?
Yes, for this quiz.
Next, we are presenting the link for the quiz made by Rudra Oza and the questions being sent by the children. Neve, can you please announce their names who have sent the questions?
Yes, ma'am. The questions were sent by Purav Bhatt, Nit Kapadi, Vigyaan Shah, Anshini Bhatt of the SciKnowTech VIPNET Club.
Thank you very much. And the questions for the Youth Day are being sent by Arya Prajapati. So all the children have contributed to the different things. And thank you very much. Rudra has already posted the link in the chat. So quickly, it's a 2 minutes quiz which all of us can play, bachas. So let us try. And Salil, could you please put this link on the Facebook? Thank you. It has been already posted on the Facebook page. So thank you very much. All of you can start playing the quiz, please. And thank you very, very much for being with us for this time and enjoyed the creations done by my children. Thank you very much.